Michael! Michael! Michael!
Simmons!
Michael!
How are you?
I went to the wrong house!
What
It's all a
happened?
big misunderstanding. It was a sting, Michael. It was a sting.
What were you doing at the wrong house? I gave you directions.
I don't know, Michael. If I went right, I think I went right instead of left.
Oh.
And I went 3 houses right instead of left. Forget about that.
Well-
You gotta get me out of here.
But why did I see you on TV naked? I have a problem with
Michael,
that.
there was a pot of coffee I went to pour myself some. I spilled it on my shorts. I went to wash them. It's all a big misunderstanding. You gotta get me out of here. And I need cigarettes. Everybody wants cigarettes.
Simmons, get a hold of yourself. Now relax.
I'm
Calm
too
down.
pretty. I'm too pretty for you.
Just calm down. It's just a misunderstanding, it seems like. Simmons, hold on. I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna get you out of here. Just stand tight.
Look at me, Michael. Michael! 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 No! I'm too pretty! I'm too pretty!